I always thought my life was picture perfect. I had a supportive brother, and I was married to Sarah, the woman of my dreams. We built our life together, filled with laughter and shared plans for the future. But over time, things began to change in ways I never expected. Sarah started acting differently. She was more distant, often lost in her thoughts. And it felt like I was talking to a wall when I tried to engage with her. I convinced myself it was just stress from work, a phase we would get through together. I didn't want to believe that anything was wrong. One evening, I came home early, excited to surprise Sarah with a nice dinner. She had gone out with friends, and I thought this would be a great way to show her I cared. As I chopped vegetables in the kitchen, I heard laughter coming from the living room. It was unmistakably my brother's voice mixed with Sarah's. My heart sank. At first, I brushed it off as nothing. They were just friends hanging out, right? But as the days turned into weeks, I couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. Sarah's late-night texts, her whispered phone calls, everything began to gnaw at me. I confronted her about it, but she always had an excuse, and I wanted to believe her. Then, the night everything changed arrived. I got off work early, eager to surprise Sarah. I walked into our home, took in the familiar smells, and felt a flicker of excitement. But as I approached our bedroom, I heard hushed voices. My heart raced. I couldn't make sense of what I was hearing. I pushed the door open, and what I saw shattered my world. There they were, my wife and my brother, tangled up in each other's arms, caught in a moment of intimacy. Time stood still as their eyes met mine, filled with shock. "What the hell?" I shouted, my voice a mix of disbelief and fury. They scrambled to cover themselves, but it was too late. The betrayal was laid bare. My brother stammered an apology that felt utterly hollow, while Sarah's tears streamed down her face as she tried to explain. But all I could hear was the pounding of my heart and the crushing weight of what I had just witnessed. I felt like a ghost in my own life, watching everything unravel around me. I took a step back, realizing I needed to leave, to escape the chaos that had engulfed my home. As I drove away that night, tears blurred my vision. But for the first time in a long time, I felt a sense of clarity. It wouldn't be easy, but I was determined to heal and find my own path again, even if it meant starting from scratch without the two people I had trusted the most.